I know what you're thinking. I'm in my robe. Yeah, I am. Just getting back, going through the mail, and my package from Diane von Furstenberg has come in. I did a little shopping while I was away. Let me just take this moment really quick to talk about the packaging. It was shipped through FedEx, and I have not opened it. There's no tape. There's no tape. So I have to wonder, because I normally go into the store to do my purchasing, but every blue moon you find something nice and you buy online. Okay. But they included this package tracking. It's auto included. Now you could deselect it, but it's auto included to make sure that your package gets there safely. And I'm thinking to myself, is that why we don't use tape? Because like anybody could just literally take this open, as I am doing now, and voila, it's done. Like that's it. I thought, wow, like the least we could do is put some tape on it. Not that I don't trust FedEx, but it's the least we could have done. But yeah, so we're here. We are here. Let's talk about this purchase. So I started collecting my DVF pieces back in 2005. Got out of college, got my first real big job, moved back to New York City, and decided to celebrate myself by purchasing a wrap dress. And it was a wrap dress from one of the, what do you call it? What's that fancy word? Oh, it's not, let me think about it. The Vault. Yes, they reintroduced patterns from the 70s because I really wanted a 70s wrap dress. Fashion student, love Diane, love her. Yeah, couldn't get it, but we've been buying stuff since 2005, and as I mentioned before, once I got into photography, that changed some things because photography equipment is crazy expensive. But let me tell you real quick about purchasing from luxury designers. One thing I miss about being in New York City is the number of sample sales, but also the number of stores that had designer goods right there, like Loehmann's, right? Century 21, Filene's Basement. Ooh, Filene's Basement. Like there were so many places to get really good deals on high fashion goods that and the sample sales, a number of us didn't really buy stuff at full price. Now, we have the online option, right? A lot of retailers, vendors said, hey, let me take out the middleman, save some money, bring in more profit, and sell directly to my customer. Very smart move. Very smart move. So for myself, when I am looking for pieces, it's a 50-50 if I am going to purchase full price or buy on sale. 50-50. Again, I'm rocking photography equipment, so but I also think about, in terms of value, what I value tells me whether or not I'm going to buy full price or not. And again, depends on how I'm feeling. So they had a sale, and I'm still in the jumpsuit mood. And they had this beautiful red jumpsuit on sale. And I'm going to figure out how this sucker goes on, because I'm looking at, like, there's an arm, here's an arm. Oh. Well, let's try this on and see if it fits. Because according to the numbers, this should fit, and now all of a sudden I'm like, oh no. Give me a moment. I need to put on some clothes. First look is up. Really like wearing this on a dressy side. We've got kitten heels on. So let me go over what I like about the pantsuit first, the jumper. It keeps calling this, whatever, the jumper. Okay, so the invisible zipper. This guy is gorgeous. Like, it is seamless. Love it. You're gonna need some help though. If you don't have one of those zipper pull things to get yourself dressed, then you're gonna need some help getting in and getting out of this one. I also like the sash that is detachable, so it doesn't come with. So if you want to do like an obi belt or something to change the look of this, that's great. I like that because that'll be gorgeous. Gorgeous. The material, silk jersey, feels amazing. I love how this feels. I'm gonna have to steam out the wrinkles though. That's the only thing I'm not crazy about. So let's talk about what I'm not crazy about. There are no pockets, but there are no pockets for a reason. This jersey, it doesn't have room for pockets. Not on this one. It's a little, I wouldn't say thinner, but the material is different that you could see it. There's a tag in here that I'm gonna cut out before I wear it. There are certain garments that if I can see tags and stuff, I just rip them suckers out. Well, because I don't want to tear anything. When I buy white jeans, I have the pockets removed and closed shut because I don't want to see all of that. So this doesn't have the place for pockets in my opinion. I would have loved them. It doesn't have that. I also completely forgot. I love a very long inseam. I'm already tall, right? But I wear my jeans down to the ground, but I'm typically wearing heels or like even wedges. Now, side note, this is my sneaker, right? So you put that on with some very long jeans, I'm not on the ground, right? This one was designed to have like a flowing hem, so it gets a little wide and flared at the leg. Love it, but I also want a longer inseam, so that's Gwendolyn's thing there. Other than that, I know it's a jumpsuit, so the seam is always right up down your hoo-ha. That's just, you gotta put it together somehow, unless you make a one piece that's kind of like, you know. But typically, I see myself wearing this with sneakers most of the time. It's comfy, but I'm thinking sneakers, but again, because you can zhuzh it up and zhuzh it down, I can go either way. You can literally go either way with this. And it's red. Like, okay. It's cute, right? Like, it's cute. Okay, so stay tuned for the two looks with the heels, with the sneakers, and I think that's gonna be it.